Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry, the original creator of the FolkArt one-stroke painting technique. And I'm here today to introduce to you Let's Paint FolkArt one-stroke theme of the year. Now, I don't know about you, but oh my gosh, 2020 was not good. But you know what? I found blessings. Being safe and secure in my home, feeling like I feel good right here, but when I looked out the window, I saw my hometown. I saw the barn on the farm down the street. I saw the church in our downtown area and beautiful neighbors' homes in my neighborhood. And you know what? We sat here and thought, can you imagine a beautiful hometown wall gallery of all of these paintings each month of the year with those themes that mean a lot to all of us? But the best part is we tied it together with trends of words like blessed and phrases that are going to really add to each month's painting. And you know me, I love the FolkArt one-stroke flowers, and we're going to paint lots of those along with lots of new we're going to teach you. And you know what? Plaid has done it again. They have made a kit that you don't want to miss so that you can paint along with me. I can't wait to paint all year long with you, every month a different project. But I also want to invite you to go to plaidonline.com/Let's Paint to find out all the Let's Paint details and to pick up my kit so you're ready to paint with me. So come on, let's paint hometown.